A route table contains a set of rules, called routes, that are used to determine where network traffic from your subnet or gateway is directed. To put it simply, a route table tells network packets which way they need to go to get to their destination. Each subnet in your VPC must be associated with a route table, which controls the routing for the subnet. Applications running on EC2 instances in subnets can communicate with Amazon DHCP servers as needed to retrieve their IP address lease or the configuration information such as the IP address of an Amazon DNS server or the IP address of the router in your VPC. Security groups act as virtual firewalls, controlling inbound and outbound traffic at the instance level. For example, after you associate a security group with an EC2 instance, it controls the inbound and outbound traffic for the instance. Each VPC has a default security group that allows all outbound traffic and denies all inbound traffic by default. If you don't specify a custom security group when launching an instance, it will automatically be associated with the default security group. The stateful nature of security groups provides a more straightforward and intuitive way to manage security rules, as you only need to define the rules for the incoming traffic, and AWS automatically takes care of allowing the associated outbound traffic for established connections. A Network Access Control List, ACL, allows or denies specific inbound or outbound traffic at the subnet level. Network ACLs are stateless, which means that responses to allowed inbound traffic are subject to the rules for outbound traffic, and vice versa. Each VPC comes with a default network ACL that allows all inbound and outbound traffic. AWS automatically associates this default ACL with all subnets in the VPC if you don't explicitly specify a custom ACL.